Poynter here, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to get a quick visualization of data. First, I'm going to start by uploading a data set, and this is one that I have downloaded from the Kaggle website, and it's all about Disneylands and reviews of Disneylands. So I upload it by using the paperclip, and ChatGPT does a little bit of processing so that it's ready to work with the file. Now I ask ChatGPT to give me a description of the data in terms of what fields are there and the number of cases in the data file. So now ChatGPT has a look at the data file, it does some processing, and it's going to give me a quick summary of what's there, including a listing of the headings so I can understand what is in the data file. I have a whole set of preferences for how I want ChatGPT to do my visualizations. So I'm going to tell it that I'm going to ask it to do some visualizations, and I'm going to tell it that I'm about to give it a set of rules and ask it whether it has any questions about my rules. And I've got these saved, and I can just load them in each time I want from my recording of rules. And this is a really good tip for you to build up a whole set of your prompts that you can use over and over again and just paste them in. You can also create your own ChatGPT, and we'll cover that in another video. But for this one, I'm simply going to tell it that these rules are coming, have a look at them, and make sure that you apply them when you're creating my charts. So here are my rules. I'll talk about them more on another occasion. It reads those and it tells me, here is what I've assumed these rules mean. Now I'm going to ask it to show me 10 visualizations that will help me understand the data. 10 is a pretty arbitrary number. You could try 5, you could try 12. Just see what works for you in getting a first look at the information that's available to you. Aha, it's spotted that there's some missing data in some of the fields, so it's going to clean up the data for me. Good reminder, really I should have asked it as step one to check to see if the data needed cleaning. That's always a good first step to take. So now it starts showing me its 10 charts and it scrolls past them pretty quickly, and at the bottom of that it's giving me a list of the 10 charts and their numbers. So in a real case, I'd now scroll up and down those 10 visualizations, decide which ones I want to use, how I want to edit them and change them. But I'm going to take a shorter route for this demonstration. Let's imagine that I've done my analysis. I know which charts I want. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a PowerPoint and to include specific charts from the set. I've looked at those charts. I've got a list here of the numbers of charts that I want to include. So I'm just going to type those in and ask it to make this as a PowerPoint for me. So I type in the full list of all the charts that I want to go into the PowerPoint, and then I just press upload so that it happens. It goes away and has a think. and then it creates the PowerPoint, and once it's created the PowerPoint, it's going to give me a download link. So I click on the download link, and then I'm going to open up that PowerPoint that it's created, and we can see that we've got the charts in there. We can look at them, we can make a few changes. However, all of these charts are images. They're not actually chart objects. So you need to get them right in ChatGPT before you transfer them across. I'm sure this will get better in the future. Maybe there's even a way of doing it at the moment. I'll come back to you when I've discovered that. I hope you found that useful and that you'll start using ChatGPT to explore your data and use visualizations.